Hi, I'm Noboru from Fukuoka. Let me explain the property contract process in Japan.
Step 1. Property viewing and decision. After viewing the property, the buyer decides whether to proceed. The agent confirms price, timing, and conditions. Step 2. Signing the purchase agreement. Next, both buyer and seller sign the real estate purchase agreement. At this time, two important things are required. First, the deposit, called earnest money in English. This is usually 5% to 10% of the purchase price. If the buyer cancels the contract, the deposit is usually not returned. Step 3. Revenue stamp tax. A revenue stamp is required on the contract. This is a government tax based on the property price. The amount varies depending on the contract value. Step 4. Preparing the final payment. After signing the contract, the buyer prepares the remaining balance. This includes remaining purchase price, registration costs, taxes and fees. Overseas buyers must prepare international bank transfer. Step 5. Final settlement and ownership transfer. On the settlement day, the buyer transfers the remaining balance. At the same time, ownership is officially transferred. A judicial scrivener handles the legal registration. Important point for sellers. If the seller cancels after receiving the deposit, the seller must return the deposit and pay the same amount as penalty. For example, if the deposit is 3 million yen, the seller must pay 6 million yen total. Conclusion. Understanding the contract process helps avoid mistakes and reduces risk. If you live overseas, working with trusted professionals is essential.
If you want to know the value of your property in Fukuoka, check the link below.